Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Do you like cumin? Did you ever cook with cumin? Today I'm going to share with you stir-fried cumin beef. It's a very bold flavored dish. Cumin beef in Chinese is 孜然牛肉. Let me show you the ingredients. I have one piece of flank steak. It's about 10 ounces. You can also use a skirt steak or chuck. And we need cumin powder, chili powder, cilantro. Cilantro just became my new friend. Did you guys try my Westlake beef soup? Then we need a few slices of ginger. Now let's slice the beef. Cut in half. And slice against the green. Here's the green. At an angle like this. Very thinly. That's about enough, right? A lot of meat.
That looks like enough for the meat.
Okay, we can save a small piece. And next we're gonna season the beef. So add some salt, white pepper powder, light soy sauce for flavor and color, Shaoxing cooked wine if you have it. If you don't have it, skip it. And today I'm going to introduce you another velveting method. We use egg white. And we're not going to use starch. So just mix this. Now we'll let this sit up about a few minutes before we cook it. Now we are ready to cook. I'm heating up the wok to high. When it's hot, we add oil. I'm using canola oil. And add our ginger. Followed by our beef. Cook about a few minutes. After a few minutes, our beef almost ready. Just turn down to low. We add cilantro and cumin powder for your own taste, chili powder,
Wow,
and
smells so good.
sesame seeds. Supposed to be dry dish. Wow, smells great, right? And our beef is ready. Looking good.
Looks great. Smells amazing.
I just sprinkled some more sesame seeds and chili powder and cumin powder. Are you ready to try?
I'm ready.
Over rice?
Yeah, thanks.
Or if you guys are keto, eat without rice. You like cilantro, right?
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Wow, that's good.
So flavorful. Beef is tender.
Wow, goes great with rice.
Or you can have it without rice. Go keto. High protein.
Delicious.
Yep. If you like a cumin, you will love this. But if you don't want a cumin, You still can mix this just with chili powder. So aromatic, isn't it?
Oh, I'm busy eating. Amazing.
Just leave me a comment below if you ever had cumin beef or any dish with cumin. Please try to make it. The ingredients are easy to find. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.